In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a box around text in Google Docs. This simple trick can really enhance the visual appeal of your documents, making certain sections stand out and appear more organized. So let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, you'll need to start by selecting the text that you want to have enclosed in a box. Simply click and drag your mouse over the portion of text. Once you have the text highlighted, you'll want to cut it so that we can move it into a drawing. If you're using a Mac, press Command+X, and if you're on Windows, press Control+X. This step effectively removes the text from the document, but don't worry, it's safely on your clipboard, ready for the next step. Now let's bring the focus to creating the box. Head over to the toolbar at the top of your Google Doc and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, hover over Drawing, then click New. This opens up the drawing interface where we will create our text box. Here, look for the text box icon in the toolbar, which looks like a square with a T in it, and click on it. Click and drag your mouse to draw the shape of the text box where you will paste your text. Now that you've established your text box, it's time to paste the text back in. With your text box selected, press Command+V if you're on a Mac, or Control+V for Windows users. Your text will now appear inside the box. Take a moment to adjust the size and orientation of the text box to make sure everything fits nicely and appears just how you'd like. Up next, you can customize your box's appearance. Simply click on Border Color, found in the toolbar in the drawing interface. Here you can choose any color you'd like for the border of your box. Let's say, for this example, you select orange. This will make the text pop with a vivid outline. After you've picked a color, you might also want to make the border a bit bolder. Click on Border Weight and adjust it to your liking. Let's try setting it to 8 pixels for a noticeable effect. If you want to refine the look even further, there's the option to add a fill color within the text box. Let's pick a light gray, which can make the text stand out more against the background. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, click on Save and Close. And there you have it. Your text is now beautifully enclosed in a customized box right in your Google Doc. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing, liking the video, and leaving a comment. Your support helps us create more content like this. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.